Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatia Nunashra bin Haizat, matrix number D2020109233. And today we want to talk about deadlock. So when we talk about deadlock, actually we are talking about a process that use the same resource. Deadlock is a situation where a set of processes are blocked because each process is holding a resource and wait for another resource acquired by other process. In this video, I will explain more about mutual exclusion. Mutual exclusion is a process that should work in mutual exclusive way. A resource is a non-shareable, meaning that only one process at a time can use the same resources. If another process requests to use a resource, the requesting process must be delayed until the resource has been released. So here I have an example of situation that can be considered as a mutual exclusion. Assume that the first girl is process A, the second girl is process B, and the kalimba is resource 1. So girl 1 is paying the kalimba just now. After 5 minutes, the second girl requests to use a kalimba. Same as the mutual exclusion situation, the request by the second girl has been delayed until kalimba has been released because only one person can use the kalimba at a time.
What is a deadlock? Deadlock is a situation that occurs in operating system when any process enters a waiting state because another waiting process is holding the demanded resource. Next, hold and wait is one of the conditions that deadlock occurs. The key point here is that the process is holding onto the resources and will not release them until it gets access to the request resources which are being held by other processes. Let us illustrate the difference between these two protocols. Now, we will consider a process that mainly copies data from a DVD drive to a file on disk, sort the file, and prints the result to printer. If all the resources must be requested at the beginning of the process, according to the first protocol, then the process requests the DVD drive, disk file, and printer initially. It will hold the printer during its entire execution, even though the printer is needed only at the end. While the second method allows the process to request initially only the DVD drive and disk file. It copies the data from the DVD drive to the disk and then release both the DVD drive and disk file. The process must then again request the disk file and printer. After copying the disk file to the printer, the process releases the two resources as well and then they will terminate.